Unlock the power of instant, programmatic voice communication with Nexmo's powerful API, allowing you to embed voice calls directly into your applications. Let's begin by understanding the core elements you'll need to authenticate your application with Nexmo, which typically involves using API keys and secrets found in your Nexmo developer dashboard. Think of this as your digital handshake, proving your application has permission to use their services. Next, we'll configure the call parameters. This involves specifying the from number, which is your Nexmo virtual number or a provision number, and the to number, the recipient's phone number. You'll also define what happens when the call connects. Crucially, you need to handle call events. Nexmo will notify your application when specific events occur, such as a call being initiated, ringing, answered, or even failed. Setting up webhooks is essential here, allowing Nexmo to send real-time updates about the call's status. To build robust voice applications, implement best practices like handling network issues, providing clear user feedback on call status, and designing for scalability to accommodate growing user bases and call volumes. This ensures a seamless and reliable voice experience for your users. By integrating Nexmo's voice API, you can create sophisticated communication features, from automated dialing and call routing to interactive voice response systems, transforming how your business connects with its customers.